Wes Wilburn, American Towing and Recovery Institute. Welcome to the Virtual Tow Show. Going to talk a minute about J-hook assemblies. One of the most standard ones we sell nowadays, 15-inch J-hook on one end, a cluster with grab on the other. So it's got the grab hook, the R hook, which really is the best hook to use out there, the T hook, and the Mini J. This is one of our most popular setups. 6, 8, and 10 foot lengths are standard. They can make them in other lengths. It does take a minute, especially if you want this connecting piece zinc plated. To do that, they got to send it out and back. If you'll take everything else zinc plated without these, they can knock custom stuff out really quick. Well, that's general. BA products, like everybody else, is slowed down a little bit at their workforce. One of our other options is the same setup. Popular options, every option under the world can be put together with these things. But one of our other most popular setups is this big J hook, 10 foot of chain, and what they call the hammerhead on the other end. I like the R hook as my favorite body hook, but a lot of folks like this, and if it works for you, God love you. So there's many different J-hook setups. We're Virtual Tow Show 2020. Spend $100 with us. We'll ship it to postal addresses for free. We hope you're watching. If you like what you see, share, share, share. Appreciate you watching. One more and my day's over. See you in a minute.